Okay guys, imagine making money on YouTube without even being monetized into the YouTube Partners program yet. That's right, you can make money on YouTube without being monetized officially by YouTube through affiliate marketing. Today's video, I'm going to walk you through affiliate marketing and how to find affiliate marketing groups that you want to associate yourself with your channel and your niche in order to start making money sooner rather than later. Hey, Saarenoja here. Welcome to my channel where I help new YouTubers to grow on YouTube and turn that passion into profits. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? We should probably cover that first. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend someone else's product or services on your channel, and every time someone clicks on the link where you're recommending that product, you get a percentage of that purchase as commission. Okay, so now that you know what affiliate marketing is, how do we find what affiliate links or what affiliates to affiliate with? And that is simple. You start by brainstorming products or services that are in your niche. I'm in the new YouTuber niche, how to grow on YouTube. There's a lot of products and services that people use to build a YouTube channel, from products being like lighting, cameras, equipment, to being more digital things like apps such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ or Opus Clips or all of these other things. I can find lots of affiliate brands that I would want to work with by simply brainstorming what I'm using in my business that I love to use and sharing that with people. And another way to brainstorm ideas, if you feel like you have no idea where to start and you're just like, I don't really know, like you might know what products you use. Let's say if you're a cook, you know what your favorite measuring cups are, you know your favorite bowls, you know your favorite pans, stuff like that. Well, you could go to Amazon and you could just list a bunch of those products and have links to those. Or you could go to the actual company and represent them. Whatever brand you like and you use, you could contact that brand and get affiliate links, or look at that brand and see if they offer affiliate marketing with them. For example, for me, I could go to Opus Clips. Does Opus Clips have affiliate marketing? Yes, it does. There it is. And then I click on the link to sign up. I get my affiliate link, and then I place that in my videos. It's as easy as that. And then you can go back to that affiliate login. It's usually like an affiliate center that you log into at that company, at that product, at that service. And it will show you how many clicks, how many people have clicked on your link, how many people have purchased from that link, and how many sales you have done, and what your commission will be as a result of that. So the first step is just to determine what products and services you want to promote on your channel that are relevant to your niche. The second thing is to go and look if they actually have affiliate programs. And then the third step would be to actually promote them on your channel. So you would put them in the descriptions of your videos, the links to the different products, and you would label it all nicely so it's very clear for your users to find. In fact, if you scroll down in this video right now and look in my description of this video, you will see links to different products like lighting, cameras, SD cards, those types of things. And you click on that, it will take you to Amazon affiliates where you can buy that product directly. And you don't have to go researching for it to make sure you have the right version or something like that. It's the correct version that I am using that you can click on the link and then buy it. And if you buy it, then I will get a commission from that. So that's as easy as it can get. You just need to find the companies that you want to associate yourself with, get the link, your unique link, and stick that link in your description with whatever the product name is, the service name, etc. And then lastly, the last step is you need to promote them. This is the step I am horrible at. I never remember to promote certain products in my videos. So like if I'm talking about vidIQ in a tutorial, I always forget to mention, by the way, if you want vidIQ, there's a link in the description below. Grab it there, right? And then that would give me a commission for vidIQ. So definitely remember to promote in your videos whatever products or services you're talking about. So if you have a cooking channel and you're cooking and you're using these certain spatulas or whatever, you could be like, by the way, I love these spatulas and you can get them. I have a link in the description below. You can get this exact spatula via that link. And I highly recommend it. I've had them for 10 years. They're absolutely awesome, right? And that person will then go to that link and purchase that product. There you have it. That's how you can get started with affiliate links quickly and start to make money off your YouTube videos. And the other thing is I want you to consider this. Get started now. You might be like, I only have 5 views on my videos, 10 views on my videos. What does it matter? Well, when you do blow up in 5 months from now, in 6 weeks from now, whenever you blow up on your channel, all of those old videos will have those affiliate links still on them. And when people are now following you and subscribe to you, YouTube will show them your older videos. And when they watch those older videos, when you're talking about those amazing spatulas you use, they can go in that description and click on that link. And so you're planting seeds for future growth. So even if you're a small channel, I don't want you to think small. I want you to think big, because your future is bright and big if you start planning now, getting those affiliate links into your description as soon as humanly possible. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you are a new YouTuber, I have a new YouTuber checklist that you can download for free down below. So if you're interested, you can get that. It's about a 25-page document walking you through step by step, just getting started as a YouTuber on YouTube. So I think it's very helpful and you might find the same. So check it out if you're interested. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.